Hola, this is the Hotel El Palace. We're here in Barcelona, Spain. Just checked into my room for Mobile World Congress. Want to thank Huawei as the sponsor for the trip and the travel. This is very cool. Nice large bed, very odd for Europe, but we appreciate that. They have the standard pillows, but they also have a pillow menu that you can order complimentary pillows. Very nice modern bathroom. 2 sinks. Tub and a shower. Full standing. It's very nice. And what's also cool is the television is built into the mirror, they said. So you just turn it on. You can see a little red light on the bottom right corner. It's a nice T section here. Here for Mobile World Congress, so you can see right there, 2019. And you can also go out and open up the window to check out the street. It's very cool. It's so European. It's awesome. Simple taxi ride from the airport, or aeropuerto. Can't wait to have a good time here. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. We're excited to be in Barcelona for Mobile World Congress 2019.